What's up guys, welcome to my channel. So I have bring you latest news regarding oneui 7 official update. So the news is good and bad both. Okay, so previously it was said that oneui 7 beta program has been ended with oneui 7 beta 3, but now Samsung is saying that there will be one more beta. That means oneui 7 official update is again delay for all the Samsung phones. So let me show you a post by oneui 7 beta in charge. So this is the post. He said that there was an issue on oneui 7 beta that about that color correction and all. Okay, and now they have fixed it, and now they will test that in beta 4. So they are saying that there will be a beta 4, and this is official by Samsung. Okay, Samsung oneui 7 in charge, who is in charge of oneui 7. And I think S24 users are okay with it. At least they are using oneui 7, right? But the main problem is for us, just like S23 users, S22 users. We bought the flagship Samsung phones, but we haven't got the beta, and now official update will also take too much time to get to S23 users. S24 users are okay with it. They are still using the oneui 7 beta. So there will be one more beta. That means at least 2 more weeks will be delay for oneui 7 official update for all the phones. And I think Samsung S24 series will receive oneui 7 official on 3rd week of February. So previously there was a rumor that oneui 7 official update for Samsung Galaxy S24 series will be roll out today, February 7, but it's I don't know what is happening, why Samsung is doing this. But yes guys, it's okay. We don't want that buggy oneui 7, right? At least they are trying to fix it. Now they are saying that everything has been fixed. So this will be the final oneui 7 beta after this it will be official update. Okay, so I think since like February 2nd or 3rd week, Samsung S24 series will start receiving oneui 7 official update. Then other phones also start receiving oneui 7 official update. Okay, so the bad news is at least 2 more weeks will be delay for oneui 7 official update. And the good news is finally everything has been fixed. Now finally there will be a official oneui 7 update. Alright guys, please give your reaction about this news in comment. Okay, thank you very much for watching guys. If you have Samsung phones, please do subscribe to my channel. I upload oneui 7 related videos and tips and tricks of Samsung. Okay, have a great day. Meet you in my next video. Take care.